Hello guys, how are you? As you can see in this mobile, FRP bypass locked. This mobile is V10. You can see here. Just a second, I am showing you about this mobile. Checking information. You can see here. Verify your account. You can see here, but I don't remember this mobile Gmail for verify. So now you have to go back, and after that you had to input your sim. Insert any this mobile with A20. Insert any sim. After that guys, click on emergency call. You can see here, and emergency information used to finger. After that, click on pencil. You can see here, add contact and you can see here in this mobile. After that, tab on contact and click on three dot, share, hold on message icon, click on app information, scroll down, yes app, and scroll down, open links. You can see here. After that, scroll down last in YouTube, click on YouTube icon, app notification. You can see here, and scroll down additional settings. After that, click on about last in setting, on Google privacy policy. Welcome to Chrome, accept and continue. Next, no thanks, do it. So now you have to search link frpfile.com, frpfile.com / bypass. Search it. After that, scroll down, download Google Account Manager 8 version, continue and allow. Okay. After that, you have to download bypass FRP APK 1.0. Now you have to click on three dot and go in download tabs. You can see here two applications are download and install Google Account Manager. Settings, allow. From this source, go back and install Google Account Manager. Do it. It is installing now. Done it. After install bypass file, install, open this file, click on three dot, browse sign in and OK button. Now guys, enter your Gmail and you have to create. You can see here, enter your Gmail. When you enter your Gmail, then click on next. After that, input your password. When you input your password, click on sign in button. Sign in. It's working now. You can see her in this video. Signing completed. You can see her in this mobile. If you like this videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So now you have to restart your mobile. Click on power button and click on restore. Do it. Mobile is restarting now. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. So now you have to click on start and OK, escape. Just a second, you can see here, just a second, it's working now. Setup is new, and next, account added, getting account information, you can see here. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. Do it and click on not now, you can see here. Escape anyway. No thanks. Scroll down. I agree. No thanks. Adding finishing touches. This may take a minute or two. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. FRP is removed now, you can see here this mobile FRP removed now. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, you can see here. Click on next. I'm showing you about this mobile model, system settings. This mobile, you can see here, A20, you can see here, model A20. So now I am going to next videos. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the latest videos. Bye, be back later, see you next.